Hello, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing well. I don't know how many people are going to watch this video, still, it's my responsibility to give some basic information regarding this video. I use cartridge paper, basically the one you use for Xerox. It's A4 size, I think it's around 75 GSM. And the color I use Faber-Castell, Domes and Montmartre. I'm not trying to do anything like realistic drawing or something like that. There is so many person out there to do realistic painting. I mean, if some new people are watching this video, there is so many people out there to do realistic. If somebody beginner, they just try to do, if you are doing something like this, just try to opt the color on the paper. I mean, it's maybe anything, like when you are doing pencil portrait, only black and white, right? So it can be anything, just use brown and white. Or you can take two color, one is dark color and one is light color. So light part will be light color and the darker part will be dark color. It's normal. No need to observe too many color, or no need to put too many color on a single portrait. I mean, you are just a beginner like me. That's it. I'm just trying to do same thing. I think dark brown and a little bit, I think it's a golden mustard. Yes, golden mustard. It's a mix of green and yellow. You cannot see from this angle, but if you close to the portrait, you can see there will be green and yellow. So I think there is nothing much to say about this portrait. I almost explained everything. The entire video will be in time lapse, so you can enjoy the video. Again, thank you for watching my video.